Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Steph Bon, and if you don't follow me on Instagram already, please do so at Bon Famous Skin. And I love to post a lot of product reviews. I haven't made a YouTube video in a couple months because I was graduating from college and I was just really busy and stressed out and I just couldn't get myself to film anything. I'm already like not good at filming, so if I were to try then it probably just would have been god awful. So I just took a little break and now I'm back. So I really hope that you guys like watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button too. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is I have been obsessed. Okay, so I hate my eyebrows and I'm really not into like filling them in like boldly like how I usually do. So I was looking up different techniques for like what people do when they don't really have a lot of brow, and even people who do have a lot of brow, and I found soap brows. So I bought this soap off of Amazon because most stores like Walmart didn't even have clear glycerin soap, and I guess that's what you need to get like the full effect of the soap brow. And then there's a brand called Soap Brow that I wanted to purchase from, but it was like $25 with shipping, and I was like, no freaking way, I'm just gonna order glycerin soap on Amazon. So it's by the brand Pears. This is Pears. It's by the brand Pears. And this is what the box looks like. It's transparent soap. I really don't like the way it smells. It smells like, I don't know, super clean and like organic. It's that like typical smell that I'm sure most people would maybe like. I just don't like it. So you have to use, I use MAC Fix Plus to wet it, and I'm sure that you could use water, but I wet the soap and then I take a little mascara wand and then I lightly brush over it to get this kind of like gel transparency. I just said transparency. I'm at consistency. Wow, yeah, it's been 2 months since I've done this. Alright, so I'm going to finish my brows off camera and then we will dive into this beautiful Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. So I just have soap in my eyebrows with a little bit of powder, and now we're going to dive into the beautiful Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. So this palette retails for $65. Like I said, there are 15 shades. So I love all my other eyeshadow palettes and brands I use, but Natasha Denona just makes the best powders. Alright, so the first shade that I'm going to dive into for my transition is the shade Jasper. So I'm going to take one of my big pixie brushes and I'm just going to apply this into the transition. This is the most beautiful orange shade that I have ever used. Just so pigmented and so pretty. I'm going to pick up the shade Glory. Now I'm going to take the shade Clove, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to start to add some dimension to the eye. And like I said, I know it looks messy right now, but it will all come together. These are the metallic shades that I'm going to add onto my eyelid. Go back with some Jasper to blend the edges. And I will start to shape the eye. Alright, so I added some false lashes, just some fluffy ones, and now we're going to move on to the face. So I'm going to use the Milk Sunshine Tint. I really like this foundation. I would say it's more than a skin tint. It's because it covers a lot. so now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 190. I'm going to go in with my Orgasm Cream Palette. It gives the most gorgeous glowy pigment. I'm going to take a metallic shade called Awakening and put it in my inner tear tip. And for my highlighter, I'm going to go in my Kosas 8th Muse palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which gives such a pretty glow. Now I'm thinking, okay, do I use lip gloss, lipstick, lip gloss, lipstick? So I actually just bought my first Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade, this is from the Kissing Fallen from the Lipstick Tree collection, and this is in the shade Bitch Perfect. It's this beautiful nude, like a perfect peachy nude. Oh, I love the way that lipstick smells. Just smells so good. Alright, so this is the finished look with the Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. First impressions. I think that this palette is totally worth the $65. It is absolutely freaking amazing. $65 for Natasha Denona palette with 15 shadows is a really good deal because, like I said, I have the Safari palette, which I love, and the pan sizes are a bit bigger. I'll show you a side-by-side. So the pan sizes are a bit bigger, but like, I'm never going to hit pan. I mean, maybe I will on a couple of them. Chances are I'm not, so I really hope that she makes some of her palettes that are this size into this one because they're literally perfect. These are even a little bit bigger than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm starting to grow my Natasha Denona collection, and I'm really happy about it because I love quality makeup, and oh, I just feel so amazing holding all these because I love them so much. Like, I want to like lay in bed with them because I love them that much, and I'm a psychopath. So, but what else is new? So I really hope that you guys liked this look that I made with the Natasha Denona palettes, and I will see you in my next video.